and welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video, we're going to be exploring a very helpful and useful tool known as Canva. So what is Canva? Canva is a very helpful platform that you can use to create a lot of things like social media posts, your presentation, any posters or brochures or infographics or cards and resumes. The variety is countless. You can use it to create a lot of things. You can use it to create wallpapers and collages and brochures and whatnot. The possibilities are endless with Canva. So you can use it to create a lot of things that are relevant to your digital marketing process. Now, let's take a look at one of these things. Let's say we want to create a poster. Canva is a free tool, but the advanced features and most of the advanced properties of Canva can be found through the premium version, which is unfortunately not free. So you can see a lot of templates here. There are a lot of cool designs that you can see here. You can use any of these and you can modify the text and the background and all the other elements of the poster according to your liking. You can also add pictures. You can add elements. Elements include grid, shapes, frames, and stickers, and they have a label on them specifying their type, whether they're free or they're paid. You can integrate videos as well. And you can also choose a background. And you can also, now a very cool thing about Canva is that you can upload a picture here in order to integrate it on your poster or any other stuff that you're making. And apart from that, you can download it. You can download it in the form of PNG or JPEG and PDF as well. So that's also something very helpful. You can create whatever you like and you can download it in any format that you like. So go ahead and use Canva today for your own content.